Question is polarity of a molecule and hence dipole moment depends primarily on electronegativity and the constituent atoms and the shape of a molecule. Which of the following has the highest dipole moment? Okay, talking about carbon dioxide, first of all, let me tell you dipole moment measures the polarity in a molecule and it is indicated by, if I just talk about dipole moment, it is actually indicated by the expression mu. So structure of each molecule and its dipole moment, let me draw it for you. So it's carbon, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे जो हमारा bond dipole moment है, the bond dipole, it is moving towards oxygen. Over here also the bond dipole move towards oxygen. So over here mu net, since these two bond dipoles are opposite to each other, so mu net is equals to 0, mu equals to 0 basically. Talking about HI वाला केस, HI आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे हाइड्रोजन और आयोडीन में, आयोडीन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, सो द बॉन्ड डायपोल शिफ्ट टूवर्ड्स iodine over here. Over here we can say mu net is not equals to 0. It is near about very less 0.38 dipole. Fine. You need not to remember the values. You just need to know basically कि किसका सबसे ज़्यादा dipole moment carry होने वाला है. Talking about water, so over here this is the structure of water molecule having two lone pairs of electron. So over here जो हमारा यहाँ पर bond dipole होगा, it will be moving towards oxygen. Okay, and over here these two lone pairs, they'll have this type of the dipole movement towards oxygen. So in a way यहाँ पर additive dipole movement हो गया. तो यहाँ पर mu net जो है, it is not equals to 0, but it is actually having the highest dipole moment of near about 1.84 dpi. टॉकिंग अबाउट सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, तो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड में हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है. सो ओवर है ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन sulfur, so the bond dipole shift towards oxygen and over here the bond dipole shift towards lone pair. So अगर net में देखा जाए, so net में we'll have this bond dipole basically. So यहाँ पर भी कह सकते हैं कि mu not equals to 0 है, but यहाँ पर जो हमारा mu की value it is 1.62 dpi. So the highest dipole moment is of option number 3, water molecule.